Right, there he is. Oh, there's Daddy. Loving every minute of it, isn't he, Daddy?
Can we not get off at this station?
We don't have to get off at the station, do we?
Why?
Just pulling in to a station. Isn't that exciting?
I like this.
What's your favourite bit of the track, Matteo?
Everything.
Oh, we haven't been around this bit before. Look, that's where we had our trip earlier, wasn't it? The castle and the church there. There's the crossing. That's our favourite bridge over there, isn't it? The wooden one.
Yeah. We're changing line.
Oh, hang on a second. The signal's red, isn't it? Oh, it's gone green. What does that mean?
We can go.